The iSpectrum Serious Game has been devised and developed to help those people on the autism spectrum to experience working environments and gain entrance to workplace opportunities. In the game there are 3 different working environment scenarios: an office, a mini market and a garden centre. Every time you play, there are 6 different stages, which begin by choosing your avatar or virtual character. The second stage begins with a meeting at the recruitment centre, during which the user is prepared to face a job interview. 3 different jobs are then introduced, at the end of which the user has to choose one of these. During the third stage, the user has to face a job interview with the boss of the activity he has previously chosen. At this point, the buddy pops up, an experienced colleague who has the task of providing instructions and feedback on the decisions taken and generally supporting the player during the different stages. The last 3 stages correspond to 3 different working days. The first day of employment, one after 1 month, and another after 3 months. In each stage, different interaction choices have been integrated into the branching stories, where the user has to read the dialogues and choose the most fitting answer. In this exploration, the player can move around within the environment and interact with other elements. Through mini-games, it is possible to accomplish the specific task of the chosen activity. On the left of the main menu, there are some buttons which could be useful during the game. For example, the map shows all the rooms of the environment in which the player can move. In addition, the People button sums up all the characters met when playing. Clicking on the Task button, it is possible to see all the tasks to be accomplished within the day and all those already completed. The Buddy button also allows the user to receive suggestions or support from the experienced colleague. Here we are in the IT office, and the player is moving within the environment. Dialogues are written texts. The player has to choose from time to time the most fitting answer in his/her opinion. Here's a mini-game. In this example, the user has to log in on the PC with the data previously received. Then the player can gain access to their mailbox and read the received emails. Now we are in the garden centre. Also, in this case, the player can move within the environment and interact with other objects. For example, if the user clicks on the uniform, they can change clothes in order to start the working day. In this mini-game, the user has to prepare a package of flowers to send to a customer. It's necessary here to choose the correct number of required flowers. During the whole game, every user choice gets a response from the system, which provides immediate feedback on the choices. The player can display the score while playing by opening the score box on the left. From the main menu, it's possible to read the names of the rooms where the user is located and manage the progress of the game. Here, we are eventually in the third environment, the supermarket. The user is choosing the goods in the warehouse in order to arrange them correctly on the shop's shelves. In every scenario, there are questions and situations which concern both the job the user is doing and some social and relational aspects which may occur within them. The situations in the game are designed to become progressively more complex.